Prior to studying for the AZ-900, you may never have heard of the Defense in-Depth model, but it is something Microsoft wants you to know about for the AZ-900 exam. So here's the Defense in-Depth strategy. It uses a series of mechanisms to slow the advancement of an attack that aims to gain unauthorized access to data. Remember the term slow the advancement, because that is the type of knowledge you need. It will protect data by implementing multiple layered security measures across different areas of your IT environment. And it's a castle-like approach where each layer acts as a barrier, slowing down attacks and providing alternative protection if one layer is breached. When it comes to defense in depth, it's a great idea to think of it as a castle strategy. You've got the outer walls, then you have the castle walls. You have multiple different layers before you can get to the king. In this case, the king is going to be your data. Here is the defense in depth graphic that will kind of give you a visual representation of how this looks. You've got physical, which is going to be, say, the physical environment where your attacks might take place. Then you've got identity and access. This is your username, your password, your multi-factor authentication. You've got networking, where you can control things using access control lists and firewalls. Then you've got applications that you use to access the data, and then the data itself. On the back end, you have application, compute, and networking as well. So this represents the physical network, the physical computer, things like that. Whereas the top part is more representing the logical, with the exception of the physical environment where the data is being housed. You won't need to memorize everything that you see here. The important parts of this for the AZ-900 is that you remember that this model is a layered approach to security. The defense in-depth model is a proven way to slow down attacks when they occur.